Hey guys, it's Passion and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I use for my foundation. I'm not a professional. This is beginner friendly for me as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys the products as I get into them. So yeah, so let's begin guys. Alright, so this primer, I just got this. This is by Maybelline. And I'm going to be looking down because my camera is down here. So it is new, so I have to take the little tab off. The primer that I had before, I had a sample from MAC. And you don't need a lot. I have a little dime, size or smaller than a dime size. So I'm just going to put it in certain areas. And my eyebrows are already done. So trying this primer out, like I said, this is my first time. It does feel a little oily. I don't know. The MAC one felt a little drier to me. I'm going to put a little bit more. But, yeah, the MAC one felt a little bit drier to me, but that's alright. As long as my makeup lasts, then that is fine. But I got this from Walmart, and I think it was like $6, if I'm not mistaken, $5 or $6. So you just want to make sure that you get that on nice and good. Alright, so this my foundation is by MAC, and it is the color NC50. So I'm just gonna give that a little shake. And I have a beauty blender. I think I got this from Walmart too. I don't remember how much it was, but you can pretty much get those from anywhere. And this is a setting spray by L'Oreal. Again, I think I got this from Rite Aid. So I'm going to spray a little on there so I can get my beauty blender a little wet. And I don't use too much foundation. So I'm going to just put a little bit on there to start with and see if I want to add some more to it. So let's see. Alright, so to me, that's good enough. If you guys can see that, put my foundation back, and then I'm going to start dabbing it in different places. So, like I said, I'm not a professional, and I don't wear makeup every single day. I'm just starting out wearing it. So, yeah. Well, I've been wearing it here and there. Like for videos, I'll wear it here and there, and I'm just starting to like really wear it out. I'm starting to like the makeup. And I'm going to show you guys a highlighter that I bought also, because I was not using a highlighter before. But oh my gosh, like once you start getting into makeup, it seems like it gets addictive or something. So yeah, so you want to make sure that you're blending your foundation out really, really good. And like I said, I would advise to put some setting spray or wet your sponge a little bit, because it seems like it blends a lot better. And then the primer that you put on before, it helps you blend and have like a smoother surface as well. So, yep. But make sure you get it everywhere, by your ears, under your chin, everywhere. You really want to make sure that you get a smooth application and you blend it out and you don't look like cake face everywhere. So, and I'm going to do some over my eyes too. I just like to go over my eyes. I'm not sure if I said it before, but I already did my eyebrows. So, let's see. Looks like that is pretty blended out. Get around my hairline really good. Okay, I think I blended enough. Alright, so that's it for that. And the concealer that I'm going to be going with under my eye is Almond. And this is LA Girl Pro Concealer. I got this from Beauty Supply Store. I think it was $1.99 when I got it. So this is inexpensive as well. And when you do concealer, you go in with the lighter color that you wouldn't use, for nothing else. So this is lighter than my skin tone. So I'm going to go under my eyes and just brighten up my eyes. And I don't do contour and all of that stuff. I don't do all of that. I'm not really into that. At least right now, I'm not. Maybe later on down the line. So I sprayed my beauty blender again with my setting spray. And I'm just going to blend this out under my eyes. I think the most expensive thing that I have that I'm showing y'all is the foundation from MAC. And I've had this foundation for like ever. It's lasted me for a few years, like no lie. And I don't really remember how much their foundation is. Their prices probably changed on it. I'm not for sure. But the reason why I got that one is because I needed help when I first started to put foundation on. I needed help to figure out which color was good for me. So I think some foundations from the drugstore is good as well. I see a lot of people use, I think it's Fit Me or something, Maybelline, L'Oreal, something to that effect. I think that one is pretty good as well, but I needed help, like I said. So whenever I run out of this one, I probably will go to drugstore to me, because I think they do, especially CoverGirl. I like CoverGirl. You know, it's for the brown skin girls. You know what I mean? So I just want to make sure that I'm blending this out really good so I don't look super, super crazy, because it is lighter than me. And you guys can see it's picking up on camera really good that it's like super freaking light. But don't worry about that, because we're going to put our powder on. All right, so that's blended enough for me. The powder that I'm using is by CoverGirl. And this is, what is this? 125 translucent. Then I have a little sponge right here. I got these from the dollar store. So I'm going to dab that and go under my eye to set it. Set that concealer that I just put on there. And it's okay if you still can see it, because after a while I'm going to dust it off with my brush. All right. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC powder. I had this for a while. It rubbed off on the back of it, so I don't know which one this is, but I think it's a block powder, because when I got it, it was for like oily skin. So I believe it's a block powder. And I have a little brush here. I got these different brushes that I have from Target. It came in a pack and I got them on sale. They were on clearance. So yeah, so I'm going to put that everywhere around my face, besides under my eyes. So this minimizes, the brow powder minimizes the shine, because I have oily skin in certain areas. Then I'm going to dust under my eye. I'm just trying to get that powder that was over there that I see in my hairline. All right. So I am going to go in with some mascara. I'm not going to put any lashes on. This mascara is Maybelline Big Shot. I got this from Walmart. I believe it was $5 or $6. And it's supposed to extend your lashes and make them look a lot longer. And it does do that. I like it. Can you see the difference? But yeah, so I'm going to go in with this Maybelline highlighter, and I got this in Molten Gold. So this is what it looks like. It's so freaking pretty. Oh, sorry, I have glue on my hand. It's so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm starting to like really love highlighter, y'all. Like seriously, it's really nice. And I think this was, if I'm not mistaken, I think this was like $12 or $14, but I got it from Rite Aid too. So this is where people say you put highlighter at. I don't know. I just be throwing the stuff on there. I might have went a little too heavy, but it's alright. You can never go wrong with a little shine, girl. I just want to blend it out because it be looking funny on my cheeks. I be looking like a ghost or something. Ashy. Can y'all see it though? Oh my goodness. But I'm going to go in and put a little on my nose. The tip of my nose. And a little on top of my lip. Sorry y'all, that's my other phone. Y'all see it? Okay, so I'm going to try to go in with this brush a little bit and dust a little off because I kind of look white. All right, so last I'm going to go, well not last, but I'm going to go in with my gloss. You could put lipstick on, whatever, but I'm going to put some lip gloss on. And this is from Victoria's Secret. These are like $5 and I love them. They smell good and they taste good, y'all. They smell like mint. And they say that this is supposed to make your breath smell better. Like if you're having bad breath, it smells minty, so. But they taste good. And they're cute. They have little glitter specks in them. And then I'm going to spray my setting spray all over. And then I'm going to just, you know, pop the look off a little bit and put in some hoops with my little bun, my foundation. Guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.